Huawei P20 Lite will be launching this year. Haven't we looked at Huawei P20 Lite last year? Yes, we did, and this year too it will be launching with the name Huawei P20 Lite 2019, but with few massive upgrades. Because of the success they had last year with this device, they thought why not bring back P20 Lite. So in this video I will tell you everything that's leaked till now regarding this device. So let's begin. Huawei P20 Lite 2019, a new member to the P20 family, is set to be released in near future. Leaked information suggests that P20 Lite 2019 will again debut with 5.84-inch LCD panel, which could be found in the 2018 P20 Lite as well. The only real difference will be the notch. Here you will find the punch hole in the top left corner of the display. Having said that, it will feature a LCD display, meaning we are not going to see any in-screen fingerprint scanner. Here you will find a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner. Thanks to the set of leaks render, we can have a look at the upcoming budget device. So this device will ship with a glass body similar to that of 2018 P20 Lite, which provides a premium feel and look. And on the back, a quadruple camera sensor, which will be the unique selling point for 2019 P20 Lite. So 4 cameras on a budget device is something new. Now you might have a question, what will be the 4th camera used for? And it will be a time of flight sensor. The time of flight sensor can be used for object scanning, measure distance, 3D photography and much more. So you can expect this device to do much more than a normal camera setup. And this sensor is mainly found in flagship devices. Not a lot is known about the rest of the cameras, but according to leaks, the main camera will feature 24 megapixel camera sensor. Now enough with cameras, let's now check what's under the hood. It will be powered by Kirin 710, which is their latest offering. Along with that, it will be paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, with support for micro SD expansion. Along with that, another 128GB of storage variant will also be launched. It will be packed with a 3000 mAh battery, which looks small compared to many other smartphones. This will be a disappointment. The phone will include Android 9 Pie out of the box with the skin on top, and Bluetooth 5.0 support is also available. There is no indication of when it will be released, but it will come in at least 3 color versions: Midnight Black, Crushed Blue and Charming Red. Finally, the price. It is said to be launched at $313, which translates to approximately 22,000 rupees. So it's not quite a budget phone, we can say it's a top tier of budget phone. So this was it guys, comment, share, subscribe and like, and I will see you in the next one.